So we're doing a little bit of bandsaw maintenance today. I have everything on the top part pulled off because my slide was not working. I don't know if you can see all these little plastic teeth? They were all jammed full of sawdust, so I'm hoping now that it will glide up and down as smooth as butter. So obviously when I'm here, I'm gonna clean everything up and get all the sawdust out, put everything back in nice and clean, and then I have to recalibrate the blade and all that kind of stuff. So that's the plan, but awesome that I was able to find that. And don't know if anybody knows where I can get this little cog piece of I can't get it off Axminster, but I'm not sure if anyone knows, but if you do, comment below. So there we go. We have our slide back on again. Just needs tightened up and get the knob fixed. Bandsaw is looking pretty nice, all cleaned out. There's this stuff, but I'll do it. Give another hoover. I've just finished polishing this cast iron. You can see how shiny it is now. There we go. It's like new. How much crap came off it. So yeah, should be like a new saw once I get her calibrated and the blade back on again. Look at that bearing still going. Quality bearing. Good job, Axminster. So the blade's back on. Now I have experimented with blade position, etc. And what I have found to have the best effect is, if you look here, I don't know if I can focus, this is quite a big blade. This is 13mm for a resawn, but if you notice how it's just riding that edge of the top wheel, and then just kissing her wee ceramic guides, and if we come down here, you'll see it is dead centered of the bottom wheel. So I have found that that is kind of the optimum position for your blade. But yeah, let me know what way you set yours up. So there we have it. The bandsaw is all back together again, and look how smooth this glides up and down. I'm so happy. It's nice when you can fix something yourself. Yeah, all nice and tidy. We'll give our first test, we see. There we have it. Good job.